Private First Class Zach Stein has the story.
U.S. Army Engineer Research and Development Center Assist Installation Management Command Directorate Europe partners with bridge inspections. The inspections are part of an ongoing effort to ensure key pieces of base infrastructure are properly maintained. Europe District U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Commander Col Pat Dagon explains why the bridges were inspected.
Through reach-back capability that the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers provides here, our team came from the Engineer Research and Development Center in Vicksburg, Mississippi, and this was part of a standard and routine bridge inspection program, Installation Management Command's Army Dams and Transportation Infrastructure Program.
Wiesbaden experts inspected the pedestrian bridge that crosses over New York Strasse, as well as vehicular and rail bridges around the garrison. Dagon shares how the inspections went. The partnership demonstrated how the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers can provide a wide range of expertise and capabilities to the garrison.
The inspection went well, it was routine, it was planned, and our team will go back to Vicksburg. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers team will go back to Vicksburg, develop a complete product and a complete report, and return that to IMCOM Europe here in Germany.
Dagon noted that the Corps of Engineers is proud to be part of the military community and provide world-class facilities across the European theater. Reporting from Wiesbaden, I'm Private First Class Zach Stein.